Here I have InFocus M810 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the browser right here. Let's use the following icon in that corner. Let's use this icon again, and here let's tap history. Let's use more key right here and choose clear history. So if you would like to delete the browser navigation history, let's tap OK, and that's it. Here you can also check out some bookmarks. Here you can tap more key and add a bookmark if you would like to, but basically the whole cleaning operation is right here in your history, so you just clear the history on your browser. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.